Every time I'm in the street, I hear
Man down, where you from?
Hey, that's my money.
He's gonna come sit by.
that's crazy.
Try to pet him.
No, no, that mother got the big ass beak on him. Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay. acabó.
Agárrala.
Este fue un buen chiste.
In his attempt to outsing his rivals, he incorporates other sounds that he hears in the forest. That was a camera shutter. And now a camera with a motor drive. To persuade females to come close and admire his plumes, he sings the most complex song he can manage. That wonderful performance is only one example of the extent to which male birds will go. In order to attract a female.
Where's Becky? Becky? Becky, you slug, get your fat ass down here right now. Hey, Becky, are you behind me? Oh, hey,
Hey.
you want some fuck? Let me touch beak.
No, Ron.
Please, okay. I'll give you some time to think. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. I bet you sleeping with Ben's a hoe.
This is a nice stick. I like sticks. Pick.
Let me smash. Please.
No, Ron. Go find Becky.
You want some fuck?
No, Ron, I don't want some
I
fuck.
got your blue. Hey girl. You want some tail? Flick.
Ron, your tail is small.
What? Swiggity sweetie. You want yellow? She doesn't want yellow. Blue and yellow, no.
Ron, I'm leaving.
What? No, wait, let me smash. What's my life come to? Becky thought my tail was big. Becky used a let me smash, but Becky is smashing Ben. Ben is a hoe.